Grange is my school, learning is my right. I learn and I care. I listen and I share. I speak and I dare. Confidence for myself, consideration for others. Good listening, kind words, great actions. See, vamos. I'm holding an electric bulb, an electric light bulb. Everybody uses them in their homes. And when it's nighttime, we switch on the electric light bulb and we have light in our homes. And this man, Thomas Edison, about 150 years ago, invented a light bulb that could actually be used by people. We've developed it, but the original light bulb that people could use, that would last for many hours, was invented by Thomas Edison. He was a scientist. He experimented and he tried so many things because he had amazing ideas. And eventually he succeeded. And created the electric light bulb that would work for many hours for people. And one of his friends came to visit him in his laboratory. And a laboratory is a place where a scientist works and does all their experiments. And scientists don't usually get things right on the first go. They don't get things right on the second go. They don't get things right on the third go. Sometimes it takes them hundreds of attempts, thousands of attempts to get things right. And this friend came to visit Thomas Edison in his laboratory, and he could see so many of Thomas Edison's experiments laid out on the benches in the laboratory. At that time, he was working on inventing a battery that we would be able to use. And his friend said to him, "Isn't it such a shame that you have to put in so many thousands of hours and so many failures, so many problems?" And Thomas Edison, the great scientist, turned to his friend and said, "It was worth it. All those results helped me to get to my final result, to my final success. I needed all those failures to keep going to get to my final result." And that's a very important lesson for all of us in our lives. And that's what is called perseverance. Very big word. And we say, if somebody keeps going, if they don't give up, if they've got something important to do, maybe they're learning to write, maybe they're learning to read, maybe they're learning how to do something, maybe they're beginning to be a big scientist and experimenting. If they keep going and they don't give up, that is called persevering. So if we sometimes are doing something really important and then we think, "Oh, I just can't get it right," at that point, stop yourself and say, "I am going to persevere. I am going to do the character strength of perseverance." And that is a great quality, a great character strength that will help you. And I want to now mention some children from our Grange EYFS who have practiced perseverance, who have done really well with their learning. And last week they got gold. And it's Santos from Alan Turing class, and Mortada from Bob Marley class, and Alidan from Bob Marley class, and Justin from Greta Thunberg class, and Aftab from Greta Thunberg class, Aliyah from Greta Thunberg class, and Sophia from Greta Thunberg class. All of you have been great CC learners, and I'm so proud of you, and we are all so proud of you. Remember what we say, children. Be great. Be Grange. Have a fantastic, safe, and happy week of sharing, of caring, of learning, and of persevering. And we will finish 2020 in a great, great way. Have a great week, children.